Hello, this is immigration attorney Erin here with you again today to talk about why you should try and get an immigrant visa for your fiance to get married and then get the immigrant visa, as opposed to choosing the K-1 visa or the fiancé visa. So if you're in the situation where you want to get married to someone who's not a citizen, not a resident, you're going to be applying for them to come to the United States, you're probably wondering, do I do the fiancé visa and have them come here, or do I get married to them abroad and then bring them here after the fact with the immigrant visa? So the reasons why I would go with the immigrant visa, and there are pros and cons for both, so that said, here are the pros for the immigrant visa. The biggest one, I think, is that when they come here, they will get their green card very shortly after that. Like, they will be a resident when they get here. There's going to be no waiting time. You're not going to have to adjust status. You're not going to have to worry about any of that. So along with that, number one, having the green card, comes the other ones, which is number two, they will be able to work right away. So if you're a resident, you can work. Not going to have to apply for a work authorization or employment authorization document. It's not going to be a concern. And along with that is number three, the benefit would be having the social security number almost right away. So you're having that work authorization right away, you get that green card right away, you get that social security number so that you can, have a bank account, or they can have a bank account, get a driver's license. It's just, I think with the green card, having the green card, doing the immigrant visa, even though it typically does take longer to process, there are so many benefits that can flow from getting the green card as soon as you're here, and not feeling like you're like maybe that spouse or who's your fiance now would be sitting around waiting for all this documentation kind of in limbo. So if you want to have your spouse, or they want to come here and just get going with their life, it's possible that the immigrant visa would be right for you. If you want to discuss this further, if you're in this situation wanting to bring someone here, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. Just reach out to me at the email below. You can also look at my website, www.liechtylaw.com. It's Liechty law.com. And there is a contact form that you can fill out, and I will get back with you very shortly, and I look forward to talking to you about how to get your loved one, your fiance, to the United States. Thanks, bye.